Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Similarly, what is the difference between Maseca and Maseca for tamales? Both are made of the difference between Maseca yellow and white corn flour is, indeed, just the color of corn used to make them. The Maseca tamal is the same as the Maseca corn flours, just ground coarser to make it more suitable for tamales. 13 February 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
Which makes gluten-free Maseca corn flour one of my favorite kitchen staples. You can use it to make tortillas, of course, but also pancakes and more. In addition, gluten-free Maseca corn flour has changed some as well. When I first wrote this post in 2014, Maseca corn masa flour was certified gluten-free through GFC 0.9 June 2014.
Let's help you make your mark.
Masa harina is a flour that is used to make masa dough. To get a clearer picture, think of the two this way: masa harina is like the all-purpose flour used to make pie dough, or bread flour to make bread dough. 17 December 2015.
Take our lead.
Masa harina is also made from hominy, but is ground much finer, usually to the same consistency as all-purpose flour. Masa is sometimes called corn flour, in fact. While generally white in color, you can find yellow masa too, and even blue masa harina, labeled azul. 20 September 2019.
Take our lead.
The difference between masa and masa harina: masa harina is a flour that is used to make masa dough. To get a clearer picture, think of the two this way: masa harina is like the all-purpose flour used to make pie dough, or bread flour to make bread dough. 17 December 2015.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.